In the world of office management, organization isn't just about keeping a tidy desk. It's about creating a system that enhances productivity, safeguards information, and adapts to the ever-changing needs of the business. Welcome to Mastering Office Filing Procedures, a course designed for those who are ready to transform chaos into order. Whether you're an administrative assistant, an office manager, records management personnel, or simply someone keen on office organization, this course is for you. Through this comprehensive journey, you'll dive deep into the art and science of efficient filing and document management. You'll emerge with the knowledge and tools to design, implement, and maintain a filing system that not only meets your office's unique needs, but also enhances overall productivity. From understanding the fundamental principles of effective filing systems to embracing the digital age with electronic document management, this course has it all. You'll learn how to categorize, label, and store documents in a way that makes retrieval a breezy. Plus, we'll cover how to keep your system up to date and secure, ensuring that confidential information stays that way. By the end of Mastering Office Filing Procedures, you'll be able to not just envision a perfectly organized office, but also make it a reality. Say goodbye to lost documents and wasted time. It's time to take control, streamline your workflows, and protect your vital information. Are you ready to transform your office's filing system and boost your productivity? Join us in Mastering Office Filing Procedures. Enroll today and take the first step towards a more organized, efficient, and secure office environment.